CNNSRESGrade5, and we are here to give you the news. Can you guess what students and staff are wearing this week? We celebrated Red Ribbon Drug-Free Week, and we wore sided wearing hats, mixed match, camo, team apparel, and black. Parents and students learned how to use NBC Parent Portal this week. Thanks for coming to learn. We got our field trip letters. We are excited about going to the Omni-Mats. Next week is our dodgeball-a-thon. Bring in your pledges so we can see an Indians baseball game in the spring. We had flu shots today. Next week, we have our Body Safe program.
In English, we are writing persuasive letters. We've worked on our traits of idea, organization, and a lot of this week. We learned the 2, 1, 3, and how to beginning and end a persuasive piece. We have put words in and phrases to rest and made a rest in peace tombstone. For example, we no longer use topics for our titles, and we never begin our writing by saying, "Today I'm writing about." We continue having Use It, Don't Lose It quizzes each week.
In reading this week, we worked on problem and solution as we read the story The Night of San Juan. This story takes place in Puerto Rico. Our spelling and vocabulary words went with our story. Today we took a weekly I-STEP test. We have to underline our answers in the story and use paragraph and sentence numbers. We took a big APICS test on My Big Canvas. Next week we start the Read Aloud Old Yeller.
How awesome would it be to go out in the woods during school time? We did it just with the 4th graders this week. We looked for different types of seeds to go with our lesson, The Amazing Traveling Seed. We found out that we are going to have goldfish and a few other awesome creatures and plants for our science kit. We made containers with seeds to investigate water tolerance and used other materials to go with our terrariums. It was really fun in science class this week.
In math, Miss Huntington is teaching us to subtract fractions from whole numbers. She is urging us to keep track of our ARAMS.
That's all we have this week. Be safe tonight. See you next week on CNNSRESGrade5.